good day everyone. Yes, I've got some new boots, and for a change I thought I would do something a little bit different on the channel. Just do a little bit of a kind of product review, because I do wear and use my kit quite a lot through a lot of different kind of extreme conditions, I guess, through winter riding, summer riding and whatnot. Now I've been using these Alpinestars Supertech Rs. They are absolutely lovely, absolutely brilliant, but come winter time all of these holes make my feet get very cold. So I've decided to upgrade with a lot of thanks to Infinity Motorcycles. I'll put a link up. Thanks guys for shipping these out so quickly to me. I've bought some Alpinestars again, and these are the SMX 6, can you see that? And these are the Drystar. So yeah, more kind of waterproof boots, and a better, by far I think, better winter boot than the Supertech Rs. Now the Supertech Rs have actually done a brilliant job. This is why I do spend quite a lot on my boots. I've had these now, I think, getting on for nearly 3 years. I'll double check, but it's definitely over 2 years. Might be getting closer to 3 years. And yeah, they're doing really well. And I don't want to ruin them completely using them every winter. So I thought it would be a good time to upgrade, to, like, well, not upgrade, but to have something that will see me through the winter. I can't praise the guys enough at Infinity. They really have done a great service to me. I actually bought a different pair of Alpinestar, a more kind of casual boot shoe, which was waterproof, and I just wasn't comfortable in them. So they give me a no quibbles return on it, sent me out this pair, and yeah, I've tried them on and they feel really good. I think they're going to do an excellent job throughout the winter, so I'll be giving you some feedback and a review of these boots and comparison of the two as time goes on. The 916 is in the lounge, looking very naked. Please look away if you are sensitive to such material. But yeah, it's naked, it's completely stripped down, and all the bodywork and tank, all the fairings obviously, is all gone off. And going to be repainted back to red, but at the moment, yeah, it's looking very standard. It's looking very stripped down. I'm going to turn it around actually and get some Christmas lights on it and make it a little bit more Christmassy. Do you like my trumpets? Yeah, it's all looking very good, but I'm looking forward to returning this to a bit more kind of standard looking. Things like the blue I'm going to lose on the bike, apart from the flipping clutch slave cylinder. That is going to stay blue. I'm not going to change that. Or Dymag. I want to look into painting the Dymag wheel, but if it is magnesium, I spoke to the powder coaters and it's not so easy to coat. So I'll see how things come out on that. I'm going to kind of tart it up here and there. It needs a little bit of a clean here and there. It's a bit dirty, so I'll sort that out. But yeah, looking forward to seeing this bad boy done. I'm in the throes of working on the Hayabusa at the moment and getting that up and ready for the road. And super excited to see the 916 back in some of its original red colours. Not sure what to do about this frame yet and the colour of the wheels. I don't know if I want to go to that extreme of stripping it right down and putting the frame back to gold and the wheels at the moment. I just might leave it as it is. I'll see how expensive it's been to repaint everything at work. Here's Ronnie boy asleep in his bed. Now he's not so asleep, but yeah, he's doing good, aren't you, Ronnie? Eh? He's not really a fan of the camera. Hence I don't really do a lot of footage of him. Here is our copious collection of DVDs. There we go, 916 read. But anyway, back to the actual video. Alpinestar boots. Looking forward to getting out and having a ride on this run up to Christmas. I will be trying to ride as much as possible. Last week wasn't so possible because I had too much going on, but next week is looking good. The 916 isn't going anywhere. Ooh, but I do like it. I like it a lot. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. I will bring you another vlog shortly. Cheers, guys.